In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how the perfect Shopify dropshipping store looks like. I got two examples in this video I'm going to show you guys, and they are both general stores. One product store is simple, I've already covered it in other videos, but in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how the perfect general store works. I'm going to show you guys one that looks really professional, and then I'm also going to show you guys another one that might not look as professional, but it's still generating 6 figures. So one of them will be from one of my students in the coaching, and another one will be one of the top most trendy dropshipping stores in the world. So let's just get straight into it, and I'll show you guys exactly how a good dropshipping store looks, how a good product description looks. Yeah, let's just take it as it comes, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how it should be looking like. Last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is Andreas Gatoni, so you can just message me. My Instagram will be here, and I have 2 spots left in the coaching, so if you guys really want it, you hit me up on Instagram. Thank you for amazing support recently, and guys, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Please leave a like, it will be so cool, because you don't want to be missing out on the content we drop here. Nothing is I don't sell any courses, these are all free. So I'm going to take you guys inside my computer, and I'll show you how the store looks. So I pulled up the first store here, and I'd say it's a really good store. It is a general store, like you guys already know. I really do like general stores, and if you guys want to see one product store, I've done a lot of videos on that one as well, but this one is actually one of the top 10 Shopify dropshipping stores in the whole world. That means this is on the top 10 of the most earning dropshipping stores in the entire world. That's really incredible. So what can we learn from this store? I mean, this store is obviously, for sure, I'm generating a lot, but this store is for sure generating way more than me. Like, this is probably 8 to 9 figure store, I have no idea, but it's one of the top 10 dropshipping stores in the world. I also have another one that's not even close to that level, but it's really simple. I'm going to show you guys later. It's this one. Yeah, so they got, this looks really good. Shop the best gift, actually cool, actually useful, actually fun. That's a good slogan, right? And we ship out all products worldwide, and they got a really cool logo. Also, the name is Hygo, which I think is a really good brand name. So they're preparing for Valentine's. I mean, this is cool. They're constantly changing their store, and right now they changed to Valentine's. And what the hell is this? What is that? I mean, that is really weird, but that could actually be a winning product. That is actually a typical product that sells for $12.99. You're not going to be profitable though. But you can see that the card is shaking. I think that's okay. But when I got into this store to begin with, it had pop-ups. That was the first thing to come up, was spin the wheel. I exited out, sorry. But it said spin the wheel, and you were able to, win discounts, which I think is stupid. It just distracts the customer. Here you can see a really simple product page. It's definitely going to sell if they were able to run ads for it. This is obviously bullshit. I would just get rid of it, but obviously the store knows what they're doing, but I wouldn't do that. Trust badges are good. But yeah, the description is really simple. It's like so simple of a description, but it can definitely generate 6 figures. That's for sure. If you scroll down, you can just see this store is just perfectly laid out as a general store. I think it's a little bit spammy, but it's good. I mean, customers who bought this item also bought this one, and that's the easy upsell, right? Or just, just show that they got other products as well. I think that's really cool. It's a lot of cheap products on here. I don't like that, but they're probably not advertising it anyways. And frequently bought together, save 20% on all 3 products by buying them together. I think that's really good. These guys have a lot of deals. So what I'm really want to show you guys is they've done something different. They put, let's just study this front page. It is insanely good. Projectors suck, but the front page is insanely good. So we get Valentine's Day gifts, trending right now, which is probably just a lie, but still, products our customers love. Yeah, just a bunch of saturated stuff. I don't know how they make it work with saturated stuff. I would never do it, but it's obviously working for them. And this part down here is just so clean. I love it. Like this is perfect. This is incredible. We got all the collections. If you hold over them, you can click view all. Like, they're scoring a 10 out of 10 on this. This part is good. I've never had it myself either. It's really good. And here we have the email thing. Looks perfect. The color layout, guys, look at it. It's perfect. And here you guys can see reviews on the front page. That was what it's going to tell you guys that they're doing. That's so unique. 7,000 reviews, and they have reviews on the front page. I think that's awesome. Like, you can just scroll down, go to more pages. This is incredible. We have a track your order, join the Hugo family for more than 50,000 happy customers from all around the globe. If that is true, that is incredible. Customer service they have service on Facebook Messenger. When I was on the other product, I was able to send them a message on Facebook Messenger to show us which type of payments you can. And then let's just look at the return policy. Perfect. This is so clean. Like, we have the address here. It's in California. These guys are killing it. Study their webpage. This is really good. So we get contact us, privacy policy, terms of service, return, payment, shipping info. So incredibly well done. Learn from this store. They even got the currency converter, which is a must have. You want to have currency converter and reviews. Like I said, it's a little bit spammy somewhere, but I still think it's good. They even got their own reviews section with 16,000. That is incredible. Track your order. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, order number and email. Perfect. I really do like it. Here, clean page. And then you guys can see they have a different set of categories. And even when you scroll down to the home one, you could go into subcategories. This is perfect. So let's try to go to a subcategory just to see how it looks. Oh, it's a tricky website. So let's just go into bathroom, take a quick look. And oh dude, they do exactly like I do. They lay it out after the colors. So you guys can see all the colors are the same. This one is probably not the same, but it just looks like it's just beautiful to watch. With this toilet over here, like the colors is so good. I really get in the mood for shopping. I would obviously never buy from this page, but you get in the mood for shopping, definitely. So let's scroll through a couple of pages. Yeah, this looks awesome. Let's just see. Let's test them. Do they have their own product description on every product? I doubt they have. No one has that. If they have this one, this store is a 10 out of 10. This is so incredible. So learn from this store, guys. That's all I'm going to go over on this store. This store is insane. And now, guys, I'm going to show you something really exciting. I'm going to show you guys a store that a lot of you people might find way too simple, that you might think this store is not good or whatever, but it generates 6 figures, if not, it has the potential to do 7 figures. This this store is from one of my students in my coaching program. And he said yes for me to reveal his store. So I'm going to show his store. Obviously not the logo and the domain, but I'm going to show his store. And I told him how to make it. And this is how I make my own stores. And they generate up to 7 figures. So just keep watching now. This is going to be cool. And we got it pulled up. This store right here makes 6 figures. It's at like 5K a day, or maybe not 5, but at least 3K a day. This store, I don't know what to say, because he might take it wrong, but it is not the best one. But I've told him to create a store like that, so if you guys think it's bad, blame it on me. Don't blame it on him. I've told him to make this exact store, and it's performing incredibly good. So here we got some really random pictures, but I think this one looks really good. I actually used it myself, and this is how I sometimes lay out my stores that I test products on. Not my main stores, but I test a lot of products on like typical stores like this. So we just put 3 categories down here, and then you guys can also see the contact us page is the standard Shopify one, and I think it's pretty good. And if we scroll here, let's just look at a random product, and I'm going to show you guys why this guy's killing it. Look at this one, for example. So the homepage might not be the best one. Just look at the homepage. But who cares? His customers is not going to see the homepage, and that's one thing to keep in mind, guys. And they're going to see it. Your customers, they see the product page. Maybe 1 out of 1,000 will check your homepage. But the customer sees your product page because you send them straight to this page. You take the link and you send them straight to this page. And either they buy it or you leave it. They don't check your homepage. They don't even check your shipping most of the time. Some will do, but in most cases they just see this page, or they click buy now, or they leave it. So pictures here are incredible when it comes to the quality. It's even better on Facebook ads, but the pictures are great. And he uses GIFs. Just look at his description. It is incredible. The description is perfect. And so this store just went from the worst homepage to the highest converting page. Just look how we did that, right? The homepage is not that good, but this one easily generates 6 figures just from the product page, because no one checks your homepage at all. And here we got the good old reviews, 4 stars and up. No, it's actually 5 stars only. But you guys can see how he lays out his description, just like I told you guys. Paragraph, picture, paragraph, picture, paragraph, picture, paragraph, whatever. Something similar like that. And that is how easy you could make a store to 6 figures. You don't have to do anything else. This is perfect. So learn from this store, try to make your own that's similar to this one, because you don't need anything better at all. This is a perfect store. Sounds ridiculous, but that's true. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I really hope that you stick to the end. If you stick to the end, leave a comment that you went to the end, whatever you guys want. But thank you so much for watching. And guys, we're getting closer and closer to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, we're on at 584 or something. But if you watch this video, please subscribe. It would just mean the world to me. I just want to go to 1,000 so much. So if you subscribe, it will seriously mean the world to me. Every time I see a new subscribe, I still get happy. So I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure that you guys have a good day, and leave a like, and we'll talk later. So have a good one.